Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Easy O oven cleaner is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked products in any kitchen, and today, we're diving deep into whether this particular brand lives up to the hype, examining its cleaning power, ease of use, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right choice for tackling those stubborn, baked-on messes that make your oven look less than stellar. We'll be putting it through its paces to see how it handles grease, grime, and burnt food residue, so stick around to find out if Easy O oven cleaner is the ultimate solution you've been searching for to restore your oven's shine and make your cooking experience more enjoyable. Number 5. Easy Off Professional Fume Free Max Oven Cleaner. Tired of harsh fumes when cleaning your oven? Introducing our professional-grade solution, designed for maximum cleaning power without the strong smell. This advanced formula tackles tough grease and baked-on food with ease. You can achieve a sparkling clean oven without the worry of overwhelming fumes. Enjoy a pleasant lemon scent as you clean. It leaves your oven not only spotless but also smelling fresh and inviting. Experience the power of maximum strength cleaning that is gentle on you and your home. It's the effective solution you've been looking for. Make oven cleaning simple and effective. Choose Easy Off Professional for a superior clean that fits your lifestyle. What we like? This cleaner offers a fume-free experience, making it ideal for those sensitive to strong chemical odors. Its lemon scent provides a pleasant aroma during use. If you're looking for a powerful clean without the harsh fumes, this is a great choice for your kitchen. What people say. It is a powerful oven cleaner that effectively removes grease and grime. The spray nozzle provides an even coating, making it easy to apply. It works quickly, cutting down on cleaning time. Number 4. Easy Off Heavy Duty Oven Cleaner. Tired of scrubbing stubborn, burnt-on food and grease? Our powerful formula is designed to cut through the toughest messes in your oven. Simply spray it on and let it work its magic. It effortlessly destroys even the most baked-on residue, saving you time and effort. Enjoy a sparkling clean oven without the harsh chemical smell. This cleaner leaves behind a pleasant, fresh scent. When regular cleaners just won't cut it, reach for this heavy-duty solution. It's engineered for the most challenging oven cleaning tasks. This 14.5 ounce can provide ample product for multiple uses. It's the perfect size to keep your oven looking its best. What we like? For the toughest, most stubborn grease and burnt-on food, this heavy-duty option is your go-to. It's designed to destroy even the most challenging messes. If you have an oven that hasn't been cleaned in a while or frequently deals with baked-on grime, this product will deliver exceptional results. What people say. This oven cleaner is very effective at removing tough grease and grime. The spray nozzle provides an even coating, making it easy to apply. It has a pleasant, mild scent that is not overpowering. Number 3. Easy Off Fume Free Pro Oven Cleaner. Our advanced formula works effectively without any harsh fumes, making your cleaning experience more pleasant. Enjoy a clean appliance without the strong odors. This powerful cleaner effortlessly removes stubborn grease and even burned-on food residues. It cuts through the toughest grime, leaving surfaces spotless. Perfect for ovens, air fryers, and many other kitchen appliances. It's the all-in-one cleaner you need for a spotless kitchen. Get professional cleaning results right in your own home with Easy Off Pro. Achieve a brilliant shine with minimal effort. Experience the difference of a truly clean oven. Try Easy Off Fume Free Pro and enjoy a cleaner, fresher kitchen. What we like? This pro-size foam cleaner is designed for maximum convenience and effectiveness. It works not only on ovens but also on air fryers and more, making it a versatile cleaning solution. If you appreciate a foam application that clings to surfaces and want to tackle multiple kitchen appliances with one product, this is the one for you. What people say. The oven cleaner is very effective at removing grease and grime. It has a pleasant scent and does not leave a strong chemical odor. The spray nozzle provides an even coating, making it easy to apply. Number 2. Astonish Specialist Oven and Grill Cleaner 3-Pack. Introducing Astonish Specialist Oven and Grill Cleaner. This heavy-duty degreaser paste tackles tough grease and grime, restoring the shine to your oven, grill, and racks. Formulated with the power of orange oil, it effectively cuts through baked-on food without harsh chemicals. Enjoy a sparkling clean oven with a fresh, natural scent. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and hello to a like-new finish. This cleaner paste works hard so you don't have to, making oven cleaning a breeze. Each pack comes with a specially designed sponge to help you apply the paste and scrub away dirt. It's the perfect tool for a thorough clean. Get a great value with this 3-pack. Keep your kitchen appliances looking their best for longer with this essential cleaning solution. What we like. This paste cleaner is formulated without harsh chemicals, relying on the power of orange oil for effective degreasing. It comes with a handy sponge for easy application and scrubbing. If you prefer a more natural approach to cleaning and are looking for a product that restores shine without aggressive chemicals, this multi-pack is an excellent value. What people say. The oven cleaner is very effective and easy to use. It removed baked-on grease and grime with minimal scrubbing. The spray nozzle provides even coverage, making the application process simple. Number 1. Weiman Glass and Ceramic Cooktop Cleaner Kit. Introducing the Weiman Glass and Ceramic Cooktop Cleaner Kit. It's designed to tackle burnt-on food and grease, leaving your cooktop spotless. This comprehensive kit includes a powerful cleaning cream, scrubbing pads, and a scraper. You'll have everything you need for a deep clean. Achieve a brilliant shine with ease. It effectively removes stubborn residues without scratching your delicate surfaces. Worry-free cleaning is here. It's safe for use on induction, electric, and gas cooktops, ensuring versatility in your kitchen. Say goodbye to tough grease and burnt-on messes. This cleaner makes restoring your cooktop's appearance simple and effective. Elevate your kitchen cleaning routine with this all-in-one solution. It's the perfect tool for maintaining a pristine cooking area. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for glass and ceramic cooktops, ensuring a safe and effective clean. It includes scrubbing pads and a scraper to tackle burnt-on food and grease without damaging the surface. If you have a delicate cooktop and are looking for a complete solution to restore its shine and cleanliness, this kit is tailored for your needs. What people say. It is a powerful oven cleaner that effectively removes grease and grime. The spray nozzle provides an even coat, making it easy to apply. It works quickly, cutting down on cleaning time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.